speed, high torque motors are good for a concrete screed. They're pretty heavy pieces of equipment. A low speed, high torque motor would be excellent for that because they need a lot of torque force to especially get them started to overcome inertia. And then the low speed just to keep them going because they don't have to move fast. It saves space because it's a lot more compact. It's smaller because it's operating at low speed. There's much less noise. So the fact that they're direct drive, you don't need an intermediary bearing hub or a gearbox to give you the torque that you need to move the machine. So because they're good at operating under the high torque condition, and especially in the application where we're using it now on this roller screed, it doesn't have to stick out farther from the machine. And is really ideal for closed loop systems and hydrostatic systems. That's when the low speed, high torque motors are most efficient. So we're specifically prototyping a new machine for the industry for this vibrator screed. It will be hydraulic vibrators, which is a unique feature. Competition out there now all uses electronic vibrators. To be able to control up to 22 hydraulic vibrators is a lot of horsepower and it's a lot of flow. And so to proportionally control all that and to be able to give them the adjustments and the variety that they want, be able to go from maybe a minimum of 12 vibrators up to expand up to 22 vibrators, it's a lot of programming. So we're doing the whole ICANN system for them, a complete electronic scheme, as well as a complete hydraulic scheme. In this case, it's unique because they may offer this as just a plain roller screed without the vibrators. So we have it modular in the fact that we can take off all the vibrators and just offer it as a roller screed. So one of the advantages is we have two tanks. So the two tanks are tied together. So when we're going full operation with all the vibrators and moving the machine around, it's very efficient. And then if they do take off and not offer it with vibrators, now it just becomes a roller screed and now you only need the one tank that's smaller. It's really a modular setup. This client happens to be a pretty small OEM, and so they rely on the expertise that GS can provide. We're just a one-stop and we can do the whole package all at once. For them, it's a win-win. And there's no finger pointing. It's the electronics guys. Oh, it's the hydraulics guys. So at this point, we have full responsibility for them, and it makes great partners, right? When we can support them for the entire process.